A review of Samsung Evo Plus 128 gigabytes micro SD card with SD adapter. I got this from AliExpress, and I know a lot of you will say it is a fake one, but actually I really believe that it is an original product. It is a lot cheaper than anywhere in Europe, and we get 128 gigabytes, and this model is really should be good for 4K recording in high bit rates. Under 15 bucks or around 13 euros, it is really a bargain. So let's test it. Before we start, it is really important when you're reading a review of some buyer on any website, people make a really huge mistake with these micro SD cards or SD cards. To test this product, you need a SD or micro SD card reader with 3.0 USB, which will enable a highest possible reading and writing speed. I have here USB 3 reader and writer, and it is inserted in USB 3 port, which will enable highest possible speed. And we will do a test now and see how much we will get from this 128 Samsung Evo Plus micro SD card. And these are the results. We have a read speed which is nearly 97 megabytes, write speed which is nearly 66 megabytes per second. And this concludes our test. I can really recommend and approve this Samsung Evo Plus micro SD card with SD adapter. Basically, you can use this card with any device which can accept it. The speed is amazing. It is more than enough for 4K recording, even for RAW. There is a link down below in the description box, so if you're interested, you can check it out. Also, if you have any question or comment about Samsung Evo Plus, you can write down below. Consider subscribing and giving a like to this video. It would help me a lot. Until next time, see ya.